So someone asked me if I could show one of the bundles. Of course I can show one of the bundles. So here you go. This is 16 inches, 613 straight Brazilian. The hair that I have right here that I'm dealing with right now is Brazilian. Good grade, high grade, 13 grade. This is the hair. Ooh. My tag on it. This is 16 inches, like I said. On. See? Just for that, I'm gonna open up a fresh pack of Kanekalon hair so y'all can see it. See how soft it really is. You know. Do y'all see this? I don't think y'all understand. Do you see this? It is soft. So these are Kanekalon fibers. It's not like your regular Kanekalon here. It's just a little softer. If you do it, if you do use it for ponytails, it's reusable. That's how soft it is. It doesn't tangle. It doesn't shed. It's good. Again, like I said, this one I opened 8 years ago, and I play with them. I just do dumb stuff with the hair. I could show y'all more I've opened up 8 years ago, and I could show y'all the pictures with the styles that I did with these hairs, like with these hairs, with the hair. Oh yeah, this is lavender, by the way. I've done ponytails in my head with all this hair. That's why I still have it. I mean, come on. That's why I still have it. Look at this. I use this for ponytails to just take pictures. Still good condition. What's that? Oh, it was a stopper. It's one of these plastic stoppers. But it's still in good condition, you guys. Like, this is some good braiding hair. Yeah. Good bundles, too. Very good bundles. Anything else you guys want to see, let me know. I'll make a video. I'll send it to you personally. I'll post it. I'll put it on YouTube, put it on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Bye.